welcome back to another video, guys. Today is a little bit of a sad day, but before we get into that, as always, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit subscribe, keep the channel going, lots more to come. Super exciting news, a little bit of a sad news. The boat is going away. We have it hooked up. It's a sunny day, could be at the lake, but it's going to its new owner. We finally got it sold. We have some big things coming here pretty soon, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to see what is coming. I think a bigger boat is in store. We have a nice big shop to put it in, but you'll have to stick around to see. But for now, alrighty guys, we have a few minutes here before we have to get on the road, so I wanted to go over a couple things that we like, a couple of things that we dislike, and how the boat held up overall after 3 years. So a couple things that we like, of course, the arch on the boat is awesome. For the quality of the boat, for the price point of the boat, having that ski arch helped a ton, especially for us because we were beginner wakeboarders. Plus, as you can see, you can add wakeboard racks, you can add speakers. I've seen people add some reels for all of their ropes and stuff. So there's a lot of options that you can do with that wakeboard tower. Number two, the flooring changes the entire boat. A lot of people that I talk to have added the flooring and they love it just as much. Marine Customs, which if you follow me on Instagram, I'll link it up here. They do an incredible job. They can really do some custom stuff. So third, the motor. Cannot complain about the motor. The motor did phenomenal. We had absolutely zero issues with it. Changed the fluids top, bottom every single year, and it has never failed us once. Already, last but not least is the interior. I really like the interior. It's very roomy for a 16-foot boat. It even feels bigger than our old 17 and 18-foot ski boats. The seats that I sit in, the seats that the wife sits in, have zero wear marks, zero discoloration. We did wipe them down after every single use, but as you can tell, there are no wear marks, no cushions that are pushed in. All the stitching is still perfect. Alrighty, so a couple things that we don't like about the boat. First thing that comes to mind is the gauge cluster. I wish we had a little more gauging options. We have one big gauge with a speedometer, which is not very accurate. It's about 5 miles per hour off. And then we have a voltmeter. So that's the bare necessities that you need. And the best part is that you can buy the Vessel View Mobile for about $250. It's plug and play. You can do it yourself at home, and then it will connect to your phone or your app and give you a lot more in-depth information like engine hours and tachometer. Okay, something else I don't like about the boat is the wakeboards do come in contact with the bimini top depending on its position, depending on your wakeboard size. I'm sure you can do some adjustments, you can move some stuff around, but the bimini top has always kind of been frustrating with this boat. The next boat we get, I will say, it will have a huge wakeboard tower. We are not going to be doing this anymore. We're not going to be doing the bimini that has to flip up anymore. It's fun, it works, but it does cause some issues sometimes. So overall, we absolutely love this boat. It's been the best boat I've ever owned, the best boat we've ever owned. I can't say enough positive things about Bayliner, about Carver Industries, who's helped us with biminis and covers and all sorts of accessories. All their information is down below. Marine Customs for all the flooring, any boat, make sure you hit them up, check that out. The trailer, caravan trailer, did phenomenal. Zero issues with it, so I can't complain. I'm kind of sad to see it go, but it is time. We want a bigger boat. We want something different, and we have it sold today. So we're going to be taking it out there, driving about an hour, meeting this guy. He's got a family, so hopefully they get as much enjoyment out of it as we did. Alrighty guys, she's on the truck next door. It's official. It's pouring rain outside, but it's sold. So there you have it guys. Hope you liked the video. I made a lot of videos with this boat, had a lot of fun. This is the last time you're gonna see her. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Do not miss out on what's next to come. Otherwise, we're gonna leave you here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe. We'll catch you later. Have a good day.